Hey everyone, I got a package from a place where I get my wood called Yandles in the UK. I just thought I'd open it on film because everyone else gets packages from wood companies, so here we go. I only know one blank that's in here, which is a maple blank, because I ordered that, but they also do just packs of spindle and bowl blanks where they hand pick the stuff for you. So yeah, I only know one thing that's in here. So let's open it. And my knife is behind the camera, so I'm gonna have to use a saw. Yeah, I also know there's wood glue in here as well, because I need some, because I left my other wood glue near a light and it got set on fire. Well, it got melted in there. So yeah. Wow. Right, that's the wood glue. Just PVA, normal glue. We have some amazing Purple Heart here. That looks awesome. See, that's a point. I don't want to keep doing this sort of comment below sort of stuff, but let me know if any of you think that Purple Heart smells like feet. I really do like smelly feet. I don't know why, but yeah, there we go. Purple Heart. Got some ash, which is awesome. This is my maple, which is cool. We have Jalubu. I'm probably going to pronounce all of these wrong, but that looks cool. Never worked with that. That's quite heavy. Oven, that one, I can't pronounce that. Can you see? Yeah. Oh, I have a camera here as well to show you, which you already know because you've seen the angle. Bubinga's cool. It's hard. Last time I made a bowl out of Bubinga, it took me about 6 months to finish it, so just because of how hard it was, I just got annoyed at sharpening my tools. Got some Padauk. I love Padauk. It's my favourite wood, I think. Just the wax. There's wax coating on this, and the wax gives you a really good idea of what the wood looks like when it's finished. And oh, it's just awesome. We have Sycamore. I like that little bit going on there. That's a bit pretty cool. And we have mahogany, which is awesome. Got another little bit going on there as well. I think that's going to look really interesting when that's finished. And I've got some spindles as well. This is, it says U-tile. If anyone knows what that actually is, I don't know. Looks cool though. Should be pretty cool. So the Spindle Blanks, I'm guessing they cut them off of spare bits from, I know they have a bandsaw mill, so I'm guessing they cut them off of spare bits of that, but the front and back are pretty good in terms of how, you know, clean they are. So you can just mount this directly on the lathe, clean up the back, make your tenon, Whereas this, and if you can see, so one side is sawn fairly well, and then this one's a bit rough. So there's a bit more work to do on the spindles, but I probably won't actually use these for spindles. I'm probably going to make other stuff out of it. Next up, Sycamore. Sycamore's pretty cool. Got matching, so perhaps a layer of skatewood in between, who knows. And finally, we have some maple, which looks pretty cool. That side's not much to talk about, but then that side looks pretty cool. Yeah, that's it. And a hell of a load of bubble wrap. I'm going to leave that there. I really hope you enjoy this. Thank you for watching. If you like this, I'll do one every time I get a wood order. I don't get them often, but when I do, I'll keep you in a loop. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, comment and do that, all that kind of stuff. Thank you.